I saw this post floating around social media and I said, this is layered. So we're gonna talk about it. The post reads, I wish there was a word for I love you, my spectacular, beautiful friend. Unfortunately, I'm so exhausted, I don't have the energy to communicate. But I want to indicate that although we've not spoken in some time, my love for you is undying, and I am your eternal supporter. And the caption reads, the low maintenance friend does not get enough applause. I want to firstly encourage us all to remove the terms low and high maintenance as descriptors for our friendships. What we have are needs, and it's our choice to decide if the needs of a particular friendship are reasonable and within our capacity. Friendships, all relationships, require care, work, and attention that will ebb and flow over its lifetime. Within our friendships, we need to be aware of our attachment styles, the needs of all parties involved, and where friendship holds a priority in our lives to build sustainable, equitable friendships. And we also need creativity, because when times become hard, maybe you need to be proactive and develop a code word that means exactly what this post says. If you'd like to continue this conversation, join me on Saturday, August 19th, 2023 for the Creative Healing Series, Volume 1, Best Friends Not Forever. We'll explore how creativity can support us in finding healing after a friendship breakup, and how it can support us in building the friendships we are deserving of. Find tickets by clicking the link in bio or by searching on Eventbrite the Creative Healing Series. See you soon.